Good morning, everyone. What we have here is my new invention. I'm not talking about the paint, I'm talking about this stuff. This is a smartphone holder. Let me show to you. This is a smartphone holder. As you can see, I put a phone in the phone holder. This is the design. You can switch up, move, adjust the length, point the length, and then put a strip to hold again. You can bend this in what position you like. You can also switch for a phone to be held like this. So you can bend, you can twist. The previous one was this one, really strong, tough, but without the bend you can use it. It's too close. And that's it, guys. If you like this project,